Yeah, we rock entertainment. Back at it. DJing for Gucci Mane, Profit Payne, Dagger Music this weekend, Ebony Club. So we got these niggas in here hitting the gym because we know we going to have them niggas turning in that bitch Friday night. You know what I'm talking about? So these niggas got to hit the weights and be ready.
You need yourself now.
Yeah, he got 2 10s on both sides. That nigga screw boy. Get the 10s on the side. 65 pounds on the bar. He gonna kill himself trying to put that bitch back on.
Stop, what you doing?
He did it 3 times.
3 times.
That was 3 times.
And we wind the video back.
Go. Do it 10 times. Pyramid.
What?
Pyramid, go. Alright, do the pyramid. Do 6 on right now. Come on, nigga. It's 65 pounds. You got 20 on the sides. All together, 45 pounds. That's it. Okay, it's 95 pounds. 25, 25, 50, plus 45. For one, you ain't holding the fucking bar right. Other way, outside of that, nigga. No. You see, for one, alright.
I know that. I ain't trying to do it like that.
Alright, this is where you finna kill yourself. Go. Yeah. Did this nigga just fall on camera?
Who?
You. This is our security guard. Talking about he can't lift it no more. What y'all think, America? Can we take him to the club?
Nobody going to the club with me anyway. I'm not going to the club no more.
What you got to say?
Call me double shift shot. Working nothing but dogs. Oh yeah, one with Wilson.
I'm working double ups. You know what I'm talking about? Alright, I'm finna show y'all some real funny shit. You can't even see that nigga. Look how black he is. God damn. Get in here. Alright, now they can see some. Alright. Man, nigga, please. Look at that Mustang.
It ain't right.
It got a Toyota Corolla.